Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of Sony audio system, which is of the model S40R. And this is a big box which has the various components of the audio system. And yep, these are the unboxing parts of the Sony audio system. And as you could see, I'm opening the box, and I'll show you the different components which are put in the box. We have the warranty, and this is a power cord, remote, and I'm taking out the other components. This is a power cord as well, and that is a battery for the remote. And I'm taking out the sound bar. As you could see, I think it's around 3 feet, which has the speakers of left, center, and right. And we have the wireless speakers, which will connect to the amplifier box. Yep, that's the left and right wireless speakers. It is a manual, and we have the subwoofer, which I'll take it out in a second. Yep, that's a big subwoofer which needs to be placed on the ground. It would be heavy, so make sure that you have one more person to help you out while placing it. It's a big subwoofer, and I'll show you another various components. That is the sound bar, which I said, which has 3 components: left speaker, center speaker, and the right speaker. This will connect to the subwoofer. And yep, and that I will put it near the table, or excuse me, on the table. And here is the manual, so make sure that you read the manual. The installation is easy. I'm sorry, that's the amplifier, which will connect to the wireless speakers, and those are the wireless speakers. You can put these wireless speakers on the back of the room, but make sure that you put it right above your the seating position, as recommended by Sony. So if you place it on top of the room, you will not have that stereo effects. So make sure that you put it just right above the head, or wall mount it. And that's the mouse and the various cords that needs to be attached to the speakers. So this is a sound bar, which is mounted on the wall and connected to the TV. And as you could see, it's S40R, which is 600 watts sound bar. We have a left sound bar, center sound bar, and the right. And it is connected with this optical fiber, which is of very good quality, to the subwoofer. And as you could see, I placed it on the ground because it initially creates the vibration, so it's always better to place it on the ground. So this is a Sony amplifier, and it has been wired to the wireless speakers. So the wireless speakers has to be connected to this amplifier, and this amplifier takes power. So generally we put this amplifier to the back of the room, to create the stereo sound. And as you could see, it has been wired and it is being connected to the wireless speakers. So guys, let's test the speaker sound. I'll go ahead and power on the television. So basically, sometimes it says it's switching audio to external speakers, but sometimes it switches back to the TV speakers. So in that case, you need to press the settings, and you could yeah, it says it's switching audio to TV speakers. I don't know why this happens, but maybe we need to tweak some settings on this. But if it switches to TV speakers, make sure that it's switched back to the audio system. As you could see, it's switched back to the audio system back. So let me go ahead and play you a simple YouTube Dolby sound video where you could hear the clarity of the sound. So I'm playing the video. Let's see the audio, how it is. So basically we have the settings on the subwoofer where it has a small screen which I don't think it will be visible on the screen unless we click on the buttons. So these are the buttons that we can click on the subwoofers, where we have the on and off, and we have the input, and we have the Bluetooth and the volume up and down. So if you click the input button, you could see it displays the various options: analog, PT, which is Bluetooth, and we have USB, and we can click back on the TV setting. Likewise the same way we have the options in the remote. We have the subwoofer to increase the volume. As you could see, it displays the various level of subwoofer volume up. 12 is the maximum, and we have a few other options to select for the audio sound. Standard, cinema, so while you're watching the movies, you can click the cinema mode. While you're listening to songs, you can click the music mode, and you have the voice that you're listening to some of the YouTube videos. For the clarity of the voice, you can click this option, and we have a night option. And we have the other options like menu and dimmer for the text. So this is a remote for this Sony S40R.